Let's look at how you can manage payments in foreign currencies. For example, in this case, the goods are received from a seller for 1,000 US dollars. So, in order to make a payment in the menu entries, I've already created two transactions. And the first transaction, $800 are transferred to a seller through a bank account, and the second transaction, €300 are paid to the same seller in the same way. Now let's look at payment analysis form. I'm gonna link these payments to this record. So, as we can see here, payments are made in different currencies. However, the system automatically converts these values into the currency in which the goods was purchased from a seller, in US dollar in this case. So, this value is the same, but this amount is calculated with an exchange rate by National Bank on a payment date. You can correct this amount manually if you need, of course. So, in this way, the system can manage payments and managerial accounting.